So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HQ local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control sets. And now you want to click on control. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once we're here, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this services pipe timeout. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. And now once we have this, you want to double click on it. Now once this comes up, you want to set the base to decimal. And now for the value data, you want to type in 180000. So 18 with 4 zeros and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.